Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam crystal hurricanes. So what you're going to need, you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants, and these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these glass candle holder plates, and you're also going to need 2 of these glass hurricanes. Now from Walmart, I have picked up some of these peel and stick gemstones, and this is a multi-pack of gemstones. So as you can see, you'll have very large gemstones here, medium size, and then the little small ones all in this one pack. And they are from Walmart. And I'm going to be using hot glue for the purposes of this video. But if you'd like to make these hurricanes permanent, or you're going to use them for an extended period of time, I'd advise you to use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these crystal hurricanes turn out absolutely beautifully? And you can embellish them as much as you like, or as little as you like. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.